You know, when you go through the actual students of every law school, yeah, since 1636, poop. I just wanted to mention, as I had mentioned this morning, yes, that when the petitioner petitioned the court for a protection order, yeah, there was, well, there was going to be, I was in jail at the time, but there was going to be a 1 year probation with a no contact order attached to that 1 year probation. Yeah. Now, by the time this protection order got reissued on July 22nd of 2011, yes, there was already the conditions of probation because I had signed up to do the diversion program. Yes. Now, the court had a requirement to find out exactly what the Superior Court of Guam had agreed to. Yes. Because I got out of jail on July 12th of 2011. And I'm almost sure within that 10 days, as a condition of my release, yes, that I did talk to the public defender's office, Ali Nosbaum, yes, and I did agree within those 10 days to do the diversion. Now, before you had the legal right to issue the 1 year protection order, Ken Williams, yes, could you get me your law degree right now? And every faculty member from 50 years ago, where you went to school, yes, where you got your law degree that gave you the right to pass the bar, yes, so that you could be in the legal profession, right, so that you could practice law and then you could run for the office of Superior Court Judge. Pooh. Now, for every one of you that think, well, we're not going to enforce barratry laws, the truth is this protection order is barratry because it was not issued according to the requirements of the RCWs. That's right. There was no notice or opportunity to myself to be heard. Yes. And the truth was they had already issued before August 12th of 2011 the conditions of probation and the no contact order from the Superior Court of Guam. Now, you cannot have two no contact orders at the same time. No, no, you can't. And when I gave you a copy of the court record that made it a condition of my unsupervised probation, because I was on probation supervised at that time, we could call my probation officer, Pooch, on Guam, that I sat with, that did know of the conditions of the probation. Now, when I sued the probation officer and the probation department of Guam, yes, for knowingly allowing for the violating of my rights and the rights of my sons, yes, while on supervised probation, supervised, it is obvious to me the courts were not communicating exactly what was going on. Now, I want your applications to law school judges. Yes. I want your applications to law school justices. I want every application of every individual admitted to every bar. Because it looks to me like no one's practicing authorized law.